Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is part of Operating Systems video course. Today's topic is System Programs. Topics covered in this video are System Programs and Application Programs. As you can see in the image of logical computer hierarchy, the lowest level is hardware. Next is the operating system, then the system programs, and finally the application programs. System programs, also known as system utilities, which provide a convenient environment for program development and execution. System programs can be divided into following categories: file management, status information, file modification, programming language support, program loading and execution, communication, background services. File management. These programs perform file related operations like create, delete, copy, and rename. Status information. Some programs simply ask the system for the status information like date, time, amount of available memory or disk space, number of users. Typically, these programs format and print the output to the terminal or other output device or files, or display it in a window of the GUI. File modification. Several text editors may be available to create and modify the content of a file stored on disk or other storage devices. There may also be a special commands to search content of files or perform transformation of the text. Programming language support. Compilers, assemblers, debuggers, and interpreters are often provided with the operating system or available as a separate download for common programming languages such as C, C++, Java, and Perl. Program loading and execution. The system may provide absolute loaders, relocatable loaders, linkage editors, and overlay loaders. Debugging systems for either higher level languages or machine language are needed as well. Communications. This program provides the mechanism for creating virtual connections among processes, users, and computer systems. They allow users to send messages to one another's screen, to browse web pages, to send email messages, to log in remotely, or to transfer files from one machine to another. Background services or daemons. All general purpose systems have methods for launching certain system program processes at boot time. Some of these processes terminate after completing their tasks, while others continue to run until the system is halted. Constantly running system program processes are known as services, subsystems, or daemons. Application programs. Along with the system programs, most operating systems are supplied with programs that are useful for solving common problems or performing common operations. Such application programs include web browsers, word processor, text formatters, spreadsheet, database system, compilers, plotting, and static analysis packages and games. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts or any suggestions, please do comment. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.